Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chore and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge. Question number 26, longest common prefix. Here you are given an array of a string. You have to return the string containing the maximum prefix. For example, you have these three uh, strings in an array, then F and L. This two is the longest possible prefix which contain all of the given strings. If there's no common prefix in all of the strings, then return just empty. Well, this is a easy level question, and this is a small code to solve this. And as usual, I have already submitted this question, and yeah, means decent level time complexity and space complexity. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will post more videos. Now I have to talk about a small thing. Actually, the last video I have uploaded got around 110 views, and I don't know, I think 140 something views in like couple of hours. Now, see, the problem over here is there shouldn't be any problem, but there is a problem, and problem is I am not posting these videos to actually get views because I'm not even putting any efforts on making such videos. I'm just making 1 or 2 minute videos and posting over YouTube. Okay, so I don't know, like YouTube will keep recommending my videos, and at of a sudden it will stop recommending videos. That's fine, I guess. Okay. Yeah, nothing else. I'm happy I got 100 views. So I thought I should include in this video. Thank you, and I will post more videos.